West Coast Jet Sprint Series. After having a couple of boats in the workshop, we thought we'd come down and see what they're all about, so check out some of the highlights. The West Coast Jet Sprints offer up some fantastic racing action around a short and technical track. The race format is typically rounds of heats followed by finals for each class of boat. The boats vary from the junior jets to the full-size Group A and super boats, as well as the very popular LS class. With the power output on the most powerful boats heading up towards 1500 horsepower. This crazy sport puts on some great racing action, and you should search Jet Sprint WA to keep up to date with all that is happening with the West Coast Jet Sprint Club.
Yeah.